Please do not turn off device. Please do not turn off device. This is a message from the SEER and UF Coast Guard. This is not a test. All citizens within the vicinity of Los Santos must immediately seek higher ground. Within next 30 minutes, a Los Santos will flood the city from ocean with high water with inside the home will wet or drown. We suggest all citizens prepare to evacuate their buildings and reach higher level areas. This creature also has a physical body that will stand in the water. A sea monster in Los Santos in possibility of citizen or injury or death. Rescue vehicles or helicopters will be dispatched once this creature is properly dealt with. SEER and UF Coast Guards thanks you for your cooperation.